Hey guys, let me give you a nice quiz at the end of this video. Let me introduce the topic. So you're given an integral. It goes from 0 to a, and it's x dx. Now when you integrate here, it just becomes 1/2 x squared between a and 0. So you have 1/2 a squared, which is basically nothing but a function of the upper limit of integration. Pretty straightforward so far. So what I want you to do is solve the following equation. What should a be here so that the value of this integral is equal to the value of this integral from 0 to 2 of 2x dx. All right, you can answer by clicking on the comments and then looking at the link that takes you to the quizzes page on my community tab.